Jacob, where has exposing YouTubers been? I'll tell you where. Right here in this channel. Today, I got my cool hat, my cool sunglasses, and we are going to expose the odd ones out. Or should I say the odd one SOUT? Roasted. Get wrecked. So let's find out. I was totally not pre-watching these videos so I can get ideas. Let's make my screen smaller. First of all, what is that? Here, hold on. What is this? Oh, what is this? What is that supposed to be? It looks like me. Okay. I was on Random Thoughts. So let's just watch Random Thoughts. Here we go, fam.
I'm sort of stealing this idea from Jaden Animations. Wait, no, that's not right. I'm not stealing it. I'm plagiarizing it. Jaden did a video
Recycling content.
talking about random thoughts she had, and you should all go watch it. And I thought, hey, I think randomly sometimes.
Yep.
So Jaden,
I can tell.
is it alright if I make a video about my random thoughts? I hope you say yes.
Why do
because
you
I
ask?
just did. What is happiness? Well, it's a chemical in your brain. And how do you get that chemical? Well, it's just a little something
Dope
I like
anime?
to call drugs. I think humans
Boy,
make fun of
you
hairless
need to
animals way too
specifically
much.
say, wait. No. No, what's wrong? No.
We think that all hairless animals are ugly. Just go to...
That is not true. I love my hairless animal. Okay, let me pull him up right here. Here we go. Here is my hairless animal. No hair, but I still think he's beautiful.
Google images and type in hairless animal, and you'll probably think the animals you see there are ugly as well.
No! Hippos are great. What is this? This is so sad.
But we all seem to forget that we're hairless animals too. If anything,
Okay,
other animals
I
should
see your
think that
point.
we're ugly.
And I see that you pointed out that we have a little bit of hair. But what about people that don't have hair? This makes me mad. This makes me so sad.
So I look at this phenomenon and I have a theory. I think we humans find things covered in hair more cute. We're more attracted to things covered in hair.
Oh.
And that's why I'm a furry. My dad never taught me how to shave, and one time I cut myself off shaving right above my lip.
No.
And for the rest of the day, all I could smell was blood. I don't know why I mentioned the
Shut
dad
up.
part. You know?
Did you guys hear that? This is so sad. No, we're not here to judge. We're just here to ask why.
Websites will ask you to type in a bunch of misshapen letters to make sure you're not a robot. That's called a CAPTCHA. And some of those CAPTCHAs are impossible.
Smart.
Sometimes I look at a CAPTCHA and think, am I a robot? I just wanted to send some email. I didn't want to question my identity. I wasn't ready for an existential crisis club, Penguin. Sorry, that joke's stupid.
Whoa! 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 He played... What? Whoa!
Just like Club Penguin. So here's the random thought. What if we lived in a
No,
robot society and robots had to prove that they weren't...
No. You can't make a joke about how Club Penguin died. That was the best game. Okay? It's not fair to make a joke about that, okay?
human to make a Facebook account. I think their CAPTCHA would be an optical illusion. Like, to sign into a website, it'll show 2 lines and say, prove you're not a human, which line is bigger? Optical illusions are like CAPTCHAs for people. Every time you paint a room, it gets a little bit smaller. And if it takes you 1 can of paint to paint an entire room, then the room gets smaller by 1 can of paint. You brought a can of paint inside the room, and you never took it out. Every time you smell something, molecules from that thing get sucked up into your nose, and that's how you're able to smell it. So that means every time you smell something, it gets a tiny bit lighter. Do archaeologists have lingo and jokes that only other archaeologists will understand? Like, there's a whole other world of jokes that I won't get to experience because I'm not an archaeologist. Like,
because you're a YouTuber.
2 archaeologists could be digging a hole, and one says, I'm not finding anything! And then the other guy says, well, you know what they say in the archaeology business. And I don't know what they say because I'm not an archaeologist. How about we look up jokes for archaeologists? Why did Robin Hood pull out of the archery contest?
Why?
He found it an harrowing experience. Okay, get that one? It just wasn't that funny. Nor was it about archaeology. Or maybe it was, and I just don't get it. We'll never know. Where did Caesar keep his armies?
Up his
Up
sleeves.
his sleeves.
I knew that.
Okay, I had to get this one explained to me, but armies is supposed to be your arm, like your body arm, and your armies go up
We
your
don't care.
sleeves. Get it? Except Julius Caesar wore a toga, so he didn't even have sleeves. And you could just say this about anyone who had an army. Where did Hitler keep his armies? Up his sleeveys. Oh, ha ha ha.
Oh!
Ask someone what time it is, sometimes they'll say it's a quarter to blank. And first off, I really hate that way of telling time, because now I have to use math just to know what time it is. Someone will say,
Me too.
it's a quarter to 8. Okay, so a quarter to 8, well, a quarter is 25. Okay,
so that's relatable.
Minus
Hey!
25, it's like
Get out of here.
negative 13. What?
Thank you. You don't belong here. You don't expose YouTubers like me.
Wait, no, we're using time numbers, so a quarter of 60, that's like 10 minutes, so 8 minus 60 over 4, carry the 2, and oh, it's 8 o'clock now. We usually only say it's a quarter to when referring to whole numbers, but I wish people would use other times, like, hey, what time is it? Oh, it's a quarter to 8:37. Did you know that mosquitoes prefer type O blood more than any other blood type? Does that mean our blood tastes different? How can mosquitoes sense what blood type we are? Do mosquitoes think we come in different flavors? What if there was a restaurant for mosquitoes and the menus just had our blood types? Are there mosquito snobs? Like one mosquito would say, oh, I see you're drinking O negative. Of course you'd like that blood. Everyone likes that blood. I got that whole idea from a conversation I had with Jaden, and I said I was going to use it in my random thoughts video, so I'm...
Once again, you're stealing content. Don't unsubscribe, please.
Just stealing everything from Jaden. You know what I think would be a funny contradiction? A fedora with a Tumblr logo on it. Whenever you leave for a trip, people will say, drive safe, which is fine. I always appreciate safe driving tips. But when you go flying in an airplane, sometimes people will say, have a safe flight. But I literally have no control if the plane flies safely or not. Why are you telling me?
They mean be safe if something goes wrong. Okay? Okay. Okay, guys, that's all the time we have for today for exposing YouTubers. Yeah. I just gotta get the truth out.